Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something that's become really important in my household. And that's how lion-hearted coloring books help both kids and parents slow down, relax and reconnect. If you're a parent, caregiver, or educator looking for a screen-free activity that supports emotional growth, focus and calm, this video is for you. And yes, lion-hearted coloring books are available now on Amazon, and I'll make sure the link is in the description. One of the biggest benefits of lion-hearted coloring books is how they help children slow down and relax. We live in a world of constant stimulation. Screens, notifications, fast-paced content, and kids feel that just as much as adults do. Coloring creates a natural pause. When a child sits down with crayons or colored pencils, their breathing slows, their body relaxes, and their mind starts to focus on one thing at a time. Lion-hearted coloring books are designed to encourage intentional, screen-free creative time, which helps kids find calm without pressure or overstimulation. Even 10 to 15 minutes of coloring can shift their mood and help them reset, especially after school or before bedtime. Another powerful benefit is emotional expression. Not every child has the words to explain how they're feeling, but color gives them a voice. Through imagination and choice, kids can express emotions safely and freely. Bright colors might reflect joy or excitement. Softer tones might show calm or reflection. Lion-hearted coloring books give children a safe, judgment-free way to explore their feelings. There's no right or wrong way to color, only their way. This builds confidence, emotional awareness, and helps children feel understood without needing to explain everything verbally. Coloring also helps strengthen focus, patience, and concentration. When kids stay with a page, choose colors, and complete an image, they're practicing mindful attention. That kind of focus carries over into other areas. Schoolwork, listening, and problem-solving. Lion-hearted coloring books encourage kids to slow their thoughts, finish what they start, and take pride in completing something. These small moments of focus add up and help build healthy habits that support learning and self-discipline. At the end of the day, lion-hearted coloring books are about more than just coloring. They're about calm, confidence, creativity, and connection for kids and for families. If you're looking for a meaningful, uplifting activity that supports emotional growth and focus, lion-hearted coloring books are available now on Amazon, and the link is in the description below. Thank you for being here, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a parent or educator who could use this today.